Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the random crashes in your Resident Evil mod. Let's begin. First, I want you to go ahead and open up Steam Client, log into your account, and once you're here, click Steam on the top left and then go to Settings. Scroll down until you see the option, Downloads, and then locate Clear Download Cache, right? So it shows in here clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting applications. So go ahead, click on the right side, Clear Cache. Once done, close this window, go to library, right? Click on it, then locate Resident Evil 9. Let's just say, for example, this is Resident Evil 9. Right click on it, go to properties, and then go to installed files. Here, click on verify this game's files are installed correctly. Over here, click this one. So this might take a while depending on what type of game it is. Resident Evil 9 is kind of huge, so it might take a few minutes. But once done, it will actually show in here the progress. If it find anything missing, it will actually reacquire and it will show in here that it's going to download those certain files or missing files. So once done, you can go ahead relaunch the game, and for most users, this fixed the sudden crashes in their Resident Evil 9. So go ahead, do that. However, if not, then you might need to check on your drivers. So go to the NVIDIA application and download the latest driver there. Okay. If you don't have the application, go ahead, download it now. I do have my NVIDIA app. Look up here and then double check if you have the latest version. So drivers, and see if it's up to date, just like this. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done, making sure to never have those unexpected crashes again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.